If you give me less than 7 minutes of your time, I will give you all of the meaning and purpose back into your life. You will finally start to feel good about life again. You will finally start to make progress again, and your life will get better. I promise you this. I remember when I dropped out of university, I had this great ideas to, go on content full time. I was really excited. Within 2 months, I made less content than I would in like a week when I was in school. Why? Because I felt like I have all the time in the world, but no drive, because I no longer had a story. I was a content creator without a background. And the same way, you might be in a phase in life where you feel like you have so much time but no purpose. You're not just working away trying to support a family. You haven't got a great business idea you're obsessed with. You just feel lost, like you're in a limbo. After 6 months of wasting my time away, this is the exact system I'm using to build my life back up. And it's allowed me to get motion in my business again. It's allowed me to rebuild my joy for learning without the need for school. And it's allowed me to feel like what I'm doing has meaning. The first thing I need you to do is what's called a life audit. And this breaks down into, of your week, of your month, write down what you actually do with your hours in the day. So look at your screen time on your phone. Do you spend 4 hours a day on Instagram? Do you spend 2 hours a day in the gym? Do you spend all of your free time driving around randomly? What do you do with your time? That includes your work, that includes your school, that includes your business. And be honest with yourself. In a week, you have 168 hours. How many of those hours do you spend on each thing? What that will give you is clarity. Because if you don't see these things on a paper in front of you, you might think that, just 2 hours on my phone is not going to kill me. We don't think that when we're about to scroll, but then what happens? You end up scrolling and scrolling, and it's time to sleep. You waste the afternoon, you waste the free time you had, and you've been in that cycle so many times. I've felt the same drive to learn so many things and just be like, but I didn't learn them before, so it's my fault now and I'm wasting my time. I might as well waste it. It's that destructive mindset that's ruining you. So audit out your weeks, your month, and just write down what you do. After your life audit, I need you to set 5 goals. A physical goal, that might be learning a new sport, that might be getting the best shape of your life, that might be something as simple as picking up the habit of running. I need you to have a mental goal. This could be to journal every day. This could be to meditate every day. Anything to do with your mental health. A spiritual goal, that could be connecting closer to God if you believe in God. That could be connecting closer to within yourself. Financial, whether that's wanting to get out of your parents' house, whether that's supporting your parents, whether that's building your own empire and making $2 million a month. And then a cool skill. So this be learning a language, learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube, learning how to play the guitar, learning how to make videos. And these 5 goals is what maps out your life for the next year. We are getting this simple because when you are in such a low phase in your life where you feel like you have no emotion, the worst thing you can do is give yourself more than 5 things. 5 is too much as well. But the reason I'm giving you 5 is because I know you're a high achiever. And I know if you're watching this video to this point, then you have the commitments, you have the 5 minutes to give to fix your life. Then I need you to block out an hour every day for each of these things. So if you've got 8 hours for work/university, and you've got 8 hours for sleep, you've got 8 more hours in your day. I need you to block out 1 hour physical, 1 hour mental, 1 hour spiritual, 1 hour financial, 1 hour for a cool skill. And that might not be perfect, right? The gym might take 1.5 hours, spiritual might only take 20 minutes, cool skill you might spend 2 hours, but just roughly 5 hours on all these things. And that gives you 3 hours of what I call bullshit time. You can do whatever you want for these 3 hours, but the rule is you can only do that at the end of the day. Let's say you're going to sleep at 9:30 p.m. So after 6:30 p.m. you can do whatever the hell you want. It can be as degenerate as you want. But between 6:30 and before, you need to be focusing on these things. And then just go and learn, go and explore, go and do these things. Be willing to make mistakes in physical. You might not do a gym exercise properly. You might lose money on a trade. You might not have a side job. You might be looking for work. You might fail at solving a Rubik's Cube. You are going to make so many mistakes. But those mistakes will teach you so much, so keep on doing them. And every day commit to these 5 things and tick them off. Literally just take a piece of paper, make a grid, and just tick off whenever you do an hour of these things per day. You've done 5 of them a day, you've won that day. That day is a successful day. 10 successful days, 20 successful days, you have 30 successful days, you will have progressed so much more to the point where you now have a cool skill you've learned. Your mental health will be so much better, your physical health will be so much better, and your money making skills will be better. But how do you stick to it, and how do you stop lying to yourself? Well, number one, you don't tell everyone your goals, right? The people that know you, if you tell them your goals, it's like mental master. You're telling them the goals because you want to feel like you've already achieved it before you achieved it, right? So stop doing that. Instead, I want you to pick just one friend, right? And say, look, you're going to be my accountability partner. I'm going to tell you my goals. I'm going to hit them. And if I don't do these things every day, then I'm going to report to you that I've done it or I haven't done it. Every night, I'm going to write you like a small paragraph on WhatsApp or messages just before I sleep. I hit them, I didn't hit them. You keep me accountable, you push me forward. If you have good friends, they will push you. If not, I'm sure people in my community will help you. My Discord servers below, my Instagram, I'm sure there's people there. If you're ready to stop wasting your life, say commit in the comments. Commit to this and let me know how it goes. Good luck.